How to Save Money on Gas Part 2. Almost everyone with a driver's license wants to know how to reduce their gas costs, whether they commute daily or take road trips. This has always been the case, but it is now even more critical. Please consider subscribing and liking this video. 1. Keep your speed stable. Strange as it may seem, maintaining a constant speed while driving results in improved fuel economy. This will eventually increase the fuel efficiency of your car. You already know what it means: you can save money on gas. 2. Use a credit card that rewards gas purchases. GasBuddy reveals that all but a small minority of drivers pay with credit cards at the pump. That's advantageous. Cash has no reward benefits at all. Cards with credit do. However, be careful to use a card that offers the maximum benefits at the gas station. 3. Stick to one brand of gas. A simple approach to saving money on gas this year is to sign up for the loyalty programs and apps that almost all gas stations provide. 4. Take full advantage of grocery store advantages. Some supermarkets associate with specific businesses or operate their own gas stations. You can use the loyalty points you earn at the grocery store to reduce the cost of gas. Simply by doing your weekly grocery shopping, you could be able to save 4 cents, 8 cents, or even more per gallon the next time you fill up. 5. Know when to buy gas most cheaply. Considering that commuters hit the road again after the weekend, you may imagine that Mondays are an expensive day to buy gasoline. However, according to GasBuddy, Monday is the best day to fill up. On average, across the nation, Mondays offer the week's lowest gas prices per gallon. On the other hand, fueling up on a Thursday will be the most expensive. 6. Understand when to use cruise control. You can save fuel by using cruise control to keep a constant speed on flat surfaces like highways. However, cruise control causes your car to burn too much gas when it accelerates up steep inclines when the road turns hilly or passes through mountains. 7. Avoid aggressive driving. Driving less aggressively can help you obtain greater gas efficiency while also saving money and lowering your stress levels. Not only is it hostile to accelerate quickly at green lights and brake suddenly when a stoplight turns red, but it is also a bad use of gasoline. 8. Choose normal gas. Only fill up with standard gasoline, not premium or diesel, unless your car needs it. There is no justification for spending a lot of money on something you don't need, says the car buying website TrueCar. That's it for this video. Stay tuned for more videos by subscribing to this channel.